Hi there, Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make a one-pot chicken curry. This is basically a chicken marination and then slow cooking process of the curry. And this is a hassle-free, very less ingredient or simple ingredient recipe, and also a delicious one. So do check out this video, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this one-pot chicken curry. So for one pot red chili ginger chicken, first I'm going to add few onions. Try to use small onions in case if you have. Add ginger. Add red chili paste. Add fried onion paste. Add garam masala, turmeric, salt, coriander powder. Add the whole garam masala. Add a pinch of sugar. Add some oil. And a glass of buttermilk. Give it a mix. Now rest this for minimum 1 to 2 hours. So now add this chicken. Add little coriander and little mint. And let this cook on a medium flame. So this looks done, and now we shall serve this. So here the red chili ginger one pot chicken curry is ready, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.